People are reaching out left and right, just trying to help me any kind of way they can.
Some people are walking, some people are on the bus. It was easy access, somewhere we can be able to get to.
Face-to-face contact is always better contact. I feel appreciated. I feel loved.
Many of our customers forget that DTE is not just buildings or wires or lines or infrastructure. We're actually over 10,000 people who live and work in the communities that we serve. We are embedded in the community. We are the community. And so that makes a difference in how we show up, and we want our customers to know that.
It is very important to host customer resource fairs in the community that we serve. We want to reach those that need assistance and make it easily available for customers to receive assistance.
Through our partners, we're able to enroll customers in State Emergency Relief Program, which is a one-time crisis assistance. We're also able to enroll them in great programs like our Low-Income Self-Sufficiency Program, or LSP, which helps them get their bill down to an affordable amount. We're also able to identify other needs that they might have through our partners. It may be some other need, housing, or some other crisis that they're facing, and so our partners can help direct them in the right path to get even more assistance.
We are hosting our customer resource fair in Pontiac.
E-Community Outreach Services is a hub for families that needs resources. Utility assistance is a very high request from our families. They're always looking for help. And so being connected to DTE to get information and resources to how we can better assist our families is very important.
Right now I'm going through struggles, and coming here, people have been so friendly, helpful, and made me feel like I'm important.
Instead of waiting for an email or waiting for someone to return the call, it's easier for you to get exactly what you need, and face-to-face contact is always better contact.
Second thing that we do are customer open houses, which we do all over our service territory. And those are really to help customers come in and understand more about what we're doing to improve reliability. So they can talk to experts and across the company to understand how that's going to benefit them and really dive deeper into what we're doing to improve their service.
I came today to Highland Park to get help with my lights. It was where we are, it's where it's needed, it's in the community.
I really appreciate them assuring me they was going to assist me. I was not going to be ignored.
Our mobile customer offices are meeting customers' need in the communities that they live in and making ourselves accessible in person.
We're here out in the community twice a month, assisting customers face-to-face. It's something we truly enjoy. Some people may have an issue with uploading documents online. They may not be computer savvy, so having us in person one-on-one, I think is more personable for them and it's better assistance.
It's very convenient because I go to the gym here at Northwest Activity Center. DTE was in the building. I went over and stopped and asked them some questions.
I was able to help Annie. I was able to give her some specific information about her LSP account.
I give her A+. She was very knowledgeable and helpful. It was a good thing I did stop because I learned a lot today.
It was good to see the smile on her face and the sense of relief that she had knowing that she still had almost 2 more years on the LSP plan. And that made me grateful and happy to see the smile on her face.
Having programs like this are very helpful, and everybody here has been so polite, and that's why I'm here, to get the help I need.
We're here to just help, and with our community partners like DTE, we could not do this work.